Did you know that one of the best ways to release cortisol, which is our body's stress hormone, is to walk? Cortisol, you guys, is that fight or flight hormone that is spiked when our body senses danger and stress. And you guys, our bodies are not built to withstand long periods of stress. So we need to get rid of it, because otherwise it is going to wreak havoc on our bodies in the areas of weight gain and high blood pressure and our inability to get a good night's sleep. So today, you guys, we are going to walk that stress off. And another thing that is really important, you guys, in order to address something, that you need to realize that it exists in the first place, okay? A lot of times we don't even know the level of stress that our bodies are under. You know, work things, traffic things, kid things, grandchildren things, relationship things that go on, and they keep compounding themselves on us. And we don't have the ability to quickly address the danger and run away from it. So it compounds on our bodies, and it is going to definitely reveal itself in the areas that I talked about. Belly fat, weight gain, high blood pressure, you can't sleep at night, you go to sleep, you wake up, and you're thinking about all this stuff. But you know, you guys, you've got to realize that it exists, address it, so that we can normalize our bodies again, which is exactly what we are going to do, you guys. So together, we are going to walk off the stress. Just carve yourselves out a little space and let's de-stress. All right, you guys, give me that walk and pump these arms. We have deserved this 10 minutes. All the prompts will be up there on the screen. Wave those arms, you guys. And breathe in and out. The march. Sometimes it's the simple things that have the biggest impact. Give me that kick, left and right. All that stuff that you dealt with today, we are kicking it away. How about some hands? Yes. Two, march it out. Yes. I'm feeling better already, you guys. Make a little room if you have it. Come see me. Push, push, take it back. And take it up, and take it back. You got it. Back to that march. Reach out to me, you guys. All right, side to side, roll these elbows. And when you do that, you feel that stress being released in the shoulders. Wave these arms. Yes. The shoulders is one of these areas where we carry a lot of stress. Left, right kick. What else do you need to kick out of the way? That's not good for us. Give me those hands. You know what else I love about this workout? Anytime, any day, you can do this, you guys. And a lot of times throughout the course of our day, we need this. We've got to be stressed. Because if we don't, our bodies are just not going to function properly. Come see me, you guys. Push it up. And take it back. And bring it up. And take it back. Yeah. Nice work. Let's stay here for a few seconds, side to side, arms up and down. Whatever that thing is that's been a problem for us throughout the day, toss it to the ground. Toss it to the ground. Yeah. Okay, stationary lunge. And if you want, you can do the arms or just keep them here. Choice is yours. Get ready to squat. Squat up, punch, punch. Squat up, punch, punch. What you punching, you guys? Lean it to the right and lean it to the left. You feel that stretch? Oh yeah, that feels great. Last one, rope wave. You know, when you go to the gym, you see those people with these ropes, heavy ropes, and they're waving them. Great way to work this core. Back to the march, you guys. Nice work. We're gonna do a speed skate. That leg goes to the back. You can. If you can't, do what you can do. Right, left, lateral lift. And if you can, let these arms follow. And in a few seconds, we're gonna combine those two moves, if you can. 3 and 2 and 1. Lateral, lateral. Hit it out. Got it. March it, march it. Leave in the comments, you guys. We are already past the halfway mark. Let me know how you're feeling right about now. I know I'm feeling good. Keep the march, extend these arms. See that? Reverse. Splash that water. Step in, arms come down. Whatever's left that was stressing you out throughout the day, toss it to the ground and stomp on it when you get to the center. You take control of that thing instead of that thing taking control of you. 3, 2, 1. Stationary lunge. And make sure your shoulders are relaxed. You have to do a form check, lift them up, and release them. Squat it up, punch, punch. Squat it, punch, punch. Squat it and reach. Stretch it out. And we're gonna go back to that rope wave. Get your side view. See that? Core muscles are engaged. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and march it out. Four, 3, and back to the speed skate. You know, when you watch the Olympics and you see those speed skaters, so graceful, gliding across that ice. Lateral, left and right. And if you can, get ready to combine the two. Last one, march it out. You guys, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I don't know about you, if you're actually doing this in the evening, which is the point. Okay, roll these arms. And reverse them. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Give me one more big one. And out. Leave in the comments and tell me that that was not a great stress reliever. I am feeling so awesome right about now. And Miss Lori, if you're watching, let everybody know how good you're feeling too, because she is the one that suggested it. And I thank you guys so very much. And speaking of which, if there's something that you would like to see on this channel, leave it in the comments, you guys, because we are a community that grows and thrives together. So if you've got something on your mind, then it's a good possibility that somebody else does too. So share, share, share. And while you are at it, if you enjoy the content that I am bringing you here, please do remember to share this video, share my channel, and please do subscribe. It is free. Hit that subscribe button below. And also remember, exercise is only one part of the equation. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day and eat high protein, nutrient-rich foods. If you need some suggestions, check out my description where I have links to some videos and recipes that I've done, which are simple, easy, healthy, and you guys, so delicious, if I do say so myself. And with that, you guys, I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, okay? And remember to keep yourselves de-stressed, okay? Because it does a body good in all seriousness, all right? Love you guys, and I'll see you right here real soon. My signature balance check. Oh yeah, I still got it, you guys. Love you, see you soon.